In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Slack. Whether you're looking to gauge opinions or make quick decisions, polls can simplify the process. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Slack website. You can do this through your usual web browser. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to proceed by selecting the Google option. This is to simplify the sign-in process by using your existing Google credentials. So go ahead and sign in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, find the three dots on the left panel of your Slack client. Clicking those dots will open up a menu where you'll see an option labeled Automations. Select that and then proceed by clicking on Apps. This is where you'll be able to integrate new features into your Slack workspace. Next, in the Apps section, locate the search bar and type in Simple Poll. This app will enable you to create and manage polls directly within Slack. When you see Simple Poll in the search results, click on it and follow the prompts to install it. This integration makes the poll creation process seamless and efficient. Now that Simple Poll is installed, head back to your direct messages or any section where you started. Navigate to a conversation or a channel where you want to create your poll. Simple Poll allows you to engage your team effortlessly by typing in #poll directly into the message input box. Once you've done that, you'll notice a prompt for Create Poll. Click on it to begin crafting your poll. At this stage, type in your question and provide the options you want to offer participants. Make sure your question is clear and that the options are straightforward to avoid any confusion. Before finalizing, it's a good idea to click on Preview. This step ensures everything looks exactly as you want it before going live. Think of this as your chance to make any last-minute tweaks. With everything set, click on Create Poll and decide whether to send it immediately or save it for later. This gives you flexibility in timing your poll to get the most engagement. And there you have it, a successfully created poll in Slack, ready to collect input from your team. Creating polls can significantly enhance team collaboration by making feedback collection fast and easy. Whether it's a quick lunch decision or an important team consensus, this tool empowers you to communicate effectively. Thanks for watching and happy polling.